Hi, my name is Neeraj. Today we are going to discuss about open-close principle. Open-close principle is a design principle in object-oriented programming that states that software entities like classes, module, function should be open for extension but closed for modification. It means that you should be able to extend the behavior of a software entity without modifying its source code. Let me explain what is the meaning of open for extension and closed for modification. We have created a class with the name employee. In that class there is a method calculate bonus. In that method what we are doing, we are calculating bonus on the basis of employee type, right? So for company employee we are calculating this, for contract employee we are calculating this, and for third party employee we are calculating this, right? This is an example only. This is the dummy pseudocode. Okay, so suppose right now we have only two type of employee: company employee, contract employee, and later we got one more employee, that is third party employee. So what we are doing, we are changing our existing code, and that means like we are not following open close principle. OCP says that classes, method, module are open for extension and closed for modification. So in this design what we are doing, suppose one more employee type has been introduced. In that case we are adding one more employee type logic there, right? This class is not following open close principle. So how can we follow the open close principle? Let me comment this all existing things. Okay, so here I have commented like class employee. Okay, so what we can do, we have created abstract class with the name bonus, and in that abstract class we have a method, abstract method calculate bonus, right? So what we can do, we can inherit that abstract class and we can override that abstract method into our child classes. And what we have done, we have created a company employee class and we are inheriting that bonus class, and here we are overriding our calculate bonus, and we can write our logic according to company employee, right? Same as company employee, we have created one more class for contract employee. Same things we are doing and we are overriding here, right? Same thing for third party employee. So suppose sometime later we got one more employee type. So what we will do, we will write, we'll create one more employee type class and we will inherit that bonus class and we will override calculate bonus. So our bonus class is always open for extension, right, and closed for modification. We are not changing anything here. Always we are inheriting this abstract class into child class and we are writing our logic, and we are using override keyword so that we can override that calculate bonus to our child classes. So this design pattern is based on open close principle, where what we are doing, our bonus class is always open for extension and closed for modification. So I believe you can understand the things, and I tried to explain this logic in very easy way. If my video is helping you in any way, please like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press bell icon.